Are you having trouble with Steam family sharing not working? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to get your shared library up and running in just a few easy steps. First, make sure your Steam application is fully updated. Running an outdated version can cause glitches and prevent family sharing from working properly. Once you're on the latest version, log in carefully with your correct account credentials. Family sharing settings are tied directly to your account, so this step is crucial. Once you're logged in, head to the top left corner and click on Steam, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings window, navigate to the Family tab. Here, you'll see an option to enable family library sharing. Check the box to authorize sharing on your device. Next, you'll find a list of eligible accounts. Make sure the accounts you want to share your library with are checked. If they aren't selected, they won't be able to access your games, so this step is essential. If you're still facing issues, head over to the Security section and click on Manage Steam Guard. Enabling Steam Guard adds an extra layer of security and is often required for family sharing to function properly. After adjusting these settings, restart your Steam application and, for good measure, restart your computer. This ensures all changes are fully applied and your library is ready to share. And that's it. Following these steps should fix any Steam family sharing issues, letting you enjoy your games with family and friends without a hitch. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials. Happy gaming!